Hello everyone, I'm just doing a quick video here. That was a bit of a squirrel there, not a squill. But yeah, I thought I'd do this video here in Abbey Gardens, where we're sitting here chilling out, having a picnic. Say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Yourself in it.
Hey. Yeah, there you go. Glamorous assistant. There's a cafe over there in the far distance. If I zoom in, you'll be able to see it. Just about, and I think it's open. You can chill out in the park, that kind of thing. Beautiful trees. But one thing I will leave you with is I don't know what that is. It looks like a bullet of some kind. I don't know what it is. Do you know what it is? No, you don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Oh, that squirrel's gone.
But yeah, it's a reflection there. Wow, that's pretty cool, that. Just there. Just on the line here, I don't know if you can hear my voice barely here. It's quite noisy at the back of the bus here, but I'm the situation, you can see that for yourself here. And it's thick here. Lovely decaffeinated latte here. You want to call it that. And I'm en route to Cambridge on the X11 on the 6:05 bus on a Tuesday. So let's have a look at the scenery around this area in one click. I've just done a live on the We Love East Anglia group. Hopefully you get a better signal than I would be on a live. So, of course, I'm just leaving Newmarket now. Hopefully you can hear my voice better here. Behind me is, of course, the Arc Newmarket. I believe it's a nightclub, and it used to be Club M. So we're on our way to Cambridge on the X11 from Newmarket, and we're just leaving Newmarket now on our way to Cambridge. Very few people on the bus, but yeah, they'll probably come on towards Newmarket Road, which is the first road you get into when you get to Cambridge. So yeah, it's a nice old day. Some people thought it was a little bit hot. I actually thought it was going to rain today, but yeah, that's another thing altogether. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video that we have done today, and yeah, I captured some really good interesting things today, which was quite nice. So this is looking out of the window, and you can see the sunset in the background. Don't often get to see it. Well, you can't see much of it, but it is there in the background. So, of course, thank you very much for watching this. Next time you'll see me is probably near Cambridge. now at Newmarket Road now. Hopefully you can hear my voice. We should arrive in Drummond Street, which is the last and final stop of the X11. It's the best X11 that you could ever use at 6:05. Unfortunately, during the day you have to sort of change at Newmarket to get the number 12. So you have to start with number 11, then it takes you to Newmarket, then the number 12 you have to pick up to go to Cambridge. So it's a bit awkward during the day, but nevertheless this is the best one to catch from Bury St Edmunds, which is more direct. So if you haven't already subscribed to Touring Love, make sure you do hit that notification button so you know when we upload a video or do a live broadcast. We hopefully will see you next time.